Hi friends. I just wanted to do a quick little review of all the little boho beads that I made on my stream, and these are them. So I just wanted to go over how cute these turned out. Everything here was made from scratch, even the tassel, added to some paper clips and that kind of thing. I think they turned out great with some thread. So I'm going to go over, we wrapped up, rolled these paper, book paper, and I varnished these at the end here on my own, and I think they look great varnished. And I'm just going to show you guys, I used this triple thick gloss glazed varnish for them and threw them on toothpicks, threw them on the cork board, and this is how they turned out. They're really nice. I think they're really nice to have in the stash. Just wanted to share with you guys some crazy things that I added, like how it just looks, and I thought it'd be really cute for the back of some journals. So pin this up to some fabric. I put these directly on with holes with my awl on the fabric, but look at how they look like fishing lures. I just love them, but I just love that look. So here's just a plain, kind of a plain one with no extra trim, but I thought that look was just super nice. And I put some varnish on this one too. So that's how they look. This one's going on my Deadpool journal. Love it, with the small little paper clip. And I added a chain to this one. So this is how they kind of turned out. Just did a stream yesterday, and it was a 2.5 hour stream. So if you want to check out how I made them, you can go on, join the stream. Or I'm thinking about making another video, just a short one just for you guys, a quick one on how I made these. So let me know what you think, and yeah, talk to you all soon. Thanks guys for watching. Bye bye.